America, many historians have pointed out, America is built on speeches, famous speeches, speeches where a single individual stands up and says, you guys, listen to me, I have a plan, and if you believe in my plan, we'll all work together and we'll get this done. That, of course, is really important in the history of American thought. Finally, let's jump to 3B. Do you think it's true? Two questions. Do you think it's true that the only thing you have to fear in your life is fear? Is that true? Even when you're having really terrible experiences, is it true the only thing you really have to fear is fear? And then secondly, what is your view about work? I have freshmen sometimes who will make fun of students who get a job, for example, at the Big Mac or whatever. You work at the Big... No. It is foundational to appreciating the core American value that we work. That W-O-R-K is not a bad four-letter word, but a really good four-letter word. Why? You work so you can get money. No. This is central. I asked you to decide whether you agree or not with this. It isn't about money. Because, dude, you can go out and steal money and get money. Work is different. Why is work important? It isn't about money. It's about self-identity. It's about confidence. It's about hope. It's about knowing that you did it the right way. That is fundamentally an American ideal, and FDR will use it. And for those of you who would like to go on and do some more work on this on your own, FDR, many argue, saved the country. You're sitting here now because of the words spoken by people like King and FDR. Let's finish now at 3A by asking, they've paired the two speeches or address and speech together. What's the central for you way you read these two together? How is the King speech in many ways an extension of the FDR speech of 30 years prior? Obviously, a little bit different audience, maybe, but maybe not. I think when King gave his speech in 33, in 63, I think he very much understood this was another kind of war, but it was a war we were all involved in, and everybody has to be involved in that war. Well, there you go, the introduction to FDR's classic inaugural first address. Thank you.